Welcome to the Workflows module of LiveCRM. In this tutorial, what we're going to do is we're just going to have a look at managing our workflow templates. So if you click on the Workflows tab, and from the main menu, simply go to Workflow Templates. And here we have two templates already within the system. What we're going to do is we're just going to create a new workflow template. And the first thing it's going to do is it's going to just ask for a name of the template. It's going to call it the sales process, and then you can give it a description as well. And we go create. Now what it's going to do is ask us for the major steps inside of our process. Okay, and just whatever description. We're going to call this step number 1. And are there any time limits involved in this particular process? So we're going to put 0. So there we have our first step. What we can then go through and do and create a second step. And we'll just get our sales team to learn their scripts. And we'll just put in one more step. This is step number 3. So now we've created our workflow template. What we can now go and do is we can actually go and create some checkpoints inside of this. And so simply opening up a step, click on the plus icon where it says checkpoints, and that brings you to this form here. We give the checkpoint a name, and it could be is this an email event? No. Are there any files required? No. Is this a text event? No, it's not. A calendar event? No, it's not. Give it a description. And then, is it mandatory? Yes or no? And we go create. And so there is now a checkpoint inside of your workflow process, and a sales team member cannot proceed to the next step until they've gone through this particular checkpoint. What we can do is we can also add a second checkpoint. Whatever that might be. Again, no, it's not an email event. No files, it's not a calendar event. Give it some kind of a description. Is it mandatory? Yes. Okay, then what we can do is we can just open up step number 2. We're just going to add a checkpoint in here. Learn the script. No, it's not. Is there a file required? Well, in this case the file may be. So it is the sales script file. No text event, no calendar event, and again, description. Is it mandatory? Yes. And then the actual sales call. Information for clients, sorry, for leads. Is it okay? Now if you have a look here, this is where the email templates become loaded. So you can load your particular email template for a particular workflow into the system here. No files are required. Give it a description. Is this mandatory? No. So we've now just created a new workflow. Thank you very much.